What's up, you guys? It's J Bunny and my little baby Anastasia, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a free baby swag bag directly from Amazon, a bag full of all free goodies specifically for mom, dad, and baby for $0 right from Amazon. It's super easy, super simple, and I want to show you guys the tips and tricks on how to get your free Amazon welcome box gift bag directly to your house, whether you're expecting a baby or whether you already had the baby and you want to get this stuff for free on the low. I'm here to show you guys how to get it. And I'm going to unbox with you the actual welcome box gift bag swag bag with you here on camera so that you can see what you get inside. I'm going to show you guys the exact process on the computer all the way through to what you get inside this amazing gift bag. I cannot wait to see what's inside. I kind of like peeked inside and it has a lot of stuff inside, so I cannot wait to unbox it with you guys. Before we get into the rest of the video, if this is your first time to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. If you're already a subscriber to the It's J Bunny channel, thank you so much for coming back for another video. And yeah, you guys, let's get into it. All right, so before I get into how you actually get yourself all of this free stuff, let me show you what Amazon sent me 100% for free. Boom, here is the Amazon gift bag. So it says baby registry right on top. It is directly from Amazon. It is chock full of samples, super heavy, filled to the brim, and I cannot wait to get inside to see actually what is inside this amazing bag worth $35 on Amazon, and I got 100% for free, and I'm going to show you guys also how to get it for free. So everyone say thank you to Anastasia for joining us on this video intro. She's a little tired and it's definitely time for her to go down for her little nap, and I'm going to proceed with the rest of the video with you guys, just us. So yeah, you guys, give me a second and I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Before I show you the actual secret tips and tricks on how to get this welcome box, which they make like kind of tricky. I don't know, obviously they don't want to give away free stuff too easily, so I totally get it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. But first, before we get into that, let's actually unbox this amazing gift bag because I cannot wait to see what's inside of this. I've been keeping this in secret in my closet, waiting to open it up right with you guys on camera. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it. After I ordered it, it came in just 1 or 2 days. It came super fast, and yeah. Ooh, so the first thing I have inside is a Lanzano breastfeeding sample kit, including 2 breast milk storage bags and 2 disposable nursing pads. So it already has 4 things for free. This is super great. If you're going to be breastfeeding, then this is something you're definitely going to want to check out. Ooh, a muslin burp cloth. I am definitely loving this. This is from the brand Comfy Cubes. It's a muslin burp cloth, and definitely you can use this for bathing your baby, burping your baby, wiping spit up off of your baby. I love muslin. Cotton is the best, and it's even great for babies with sensitive skin. So this is definitely a big win. Oh yes, Giraffe baby laundry detergent. I have been using this nonstop to clean all of my baby's clothes, bibs, blankets, etc. It smells amazing, cleans the clothes super great, no formula gets stuck on anything, and let me tell you, it is not cheap. So this sample is super duper helpful. Oh my god, these are my favorite wipes too. Wow, this is a great welcome box. These are called WaterWipes. They're 99% water. The outside of the package typically looks like this, and it's the most delicate skin needs the world's purest wipes. And you know what? I definitely agree. Like if your baby got messy inside their diaper, this cleans them up great. definitely you're gonna want to give these a try, and once you try them out of this sample welcome box, you're definitely gonna want to order more of them. I'm actually gonna drop the link down below for these wipes that you can order in packs of 12 big packs off of Amazon. Definitely click that link, check it out, order it for yourself. You're definitely gonna want to use those wipes on your baby. They are amazing. Oh, it's little baby wash and shampoo. Wow, this is great to have. You definitely wash your baby all of the time, and I have not tried the Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo with organic candela for face and body before, so I'm definitely excited to try this, and this is a perfect sample size to do so. I mean, babies really don't need a lot of soap, so actually this little size is gonna last a long time. Wow, you guys, a lot of my favorite stuff is in this bag, so this is a really great bag. I love these diapers. These are the Huggies special delivery diapers, and they are so soft. They're fragrance free, hypoallergenic, and they're made with all plant-based materials. I love these diapers. They're the only ones that don't leave marks on my baby, and I highly, highly recommend them. They are better than Pampers in my opinion, and yeah, definitely a big win to have this in the Amazon free welcome box. So here we have some pamphlets for the baby Brezza. Doesn't look like it gives you anything for free. It's just kind of like giving you an advertisement on what the baby Brezza is all about. Here is a welcome message from Amazon. It says, "We hope you enjoy this special delivery compliments of Amazon Baby Registry." Here's an ad for Fisher Price, and then here's a CeraVe babies coupons. It gives you 20% off. So yeah, basically just a bunch of informational pamphlets if you're researching different items. This is great. Oh, so this one is for expecting moms in particular. These are some prenatal vitamin gummies. They're from Smarty Pants. They're non-GMO, and it comes with lemon, orange, strawberry, banana for you. So this is a great win inside the welcome box. Oh yes, we have some skincare items. CeraVe Baby Moisturizing Lotion and Aquifer Baby Healing Paste. The Aquifer is for fast relief on diaper rash, and then the moisturizing lotion moisturizes and maintains baby's protective skin barrier. These are 2 essentials. Okay, and next item. Be ready for your new arrival. Not sure what this is. Let's open it up. So these are pads for postpartum care for the mom. Definitely a great sample to check out. And there's 2 more things in the welcome box. Oh my god, we have a free bottle in here. This is awesome. Cool, so it comes with this free bottle by brand MAM, M-A-M. And yeah, you guys, this is exciting. And if anything, even if you don't like the bottle, it comes with a free pacifier. All right, you guys, and the last thing in the bag is from the brand Carter's, and it looks like it's a piece of clothing. So let's open it up. Oh my god, so cute. It comes with a free onesie. If anything makes the box worth it, it's free baby clothes. This is size 3 to 6 months, so even if you already got your baby registry stuff and you're late to getting your free welcome box, this is still going to fit your baby. It's so cute. It has little zoo animals on it, a turtle, an elephant, a lion, and yeah, it's really soft cotton. Perfect for babies. Overall, I rate that free swag bag worth $35 that I got for free 10 out of 10. I loved every single item. And now the technical part, let me show you guys. I'm going to take you over to the computer and I'm going to show you exactly how to pick up your own free Amazon welcome box. It's really bad. They call it the Amazon Baby Registry welcome box. Let's jump over to the iMac and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Here is the basic breakdown of how to both create your baby registry and then get your baby registry welcome box totally for free. This is the swag bag that I just showed you guys. This is how you get it. So basically I'm over here, I have my Amazon account, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the Hello account and list. I'm going to click find a list or a registry. I'm going to click a baby registry, and then I'm going to go over here and click create a new baby registry. So I'm just going to pick a due date right now of the end of the month. This is where you decide all the options that you want for your baby registry. Then once you're done, you go ahead and enter the CAPTCHA and click create my baby registry. Now, to add items to your registry, what you would do is you would search for an item on Amazon that you like. Let's say you like this crib, and instead of adding add to cart, you go ahead and add it right here to your baby registry. Anytime you want to go to your baby registry, all you have to do is go to the main page of your Amazon, click your registry, and yeah, your baby registry will come right up. If you have multiple registries, they'll list them over here under registries. Now the fun part, this is how to get your free baby registry welcome box. So you go ahead and go to the main page of your baby registry. Right here it has a checklist progress. Right now we just added the crib, so it's at 1%. So basically what they want you to do to get your welcome box is to check all of the items on the checklist to make sure that you have everything for baby. You can do this, of course, by manually adding items to your registry one by one to adhere to all of the categories. See here, we added a bottle. If you go back to the checklist, it now shows we have 3% completed, so we still have the crib check marked, and then under feeding you have bottles. Now, if you're not going to add all of the items to your registry, which you might not, what you're going to need to do is manually go through, and you're going to want to check mark all of these categories. Unless you have all of the categories checked off, you're not going to be able to get your free welcome box. So if you don't do this for your actual baby registry and you have categories left off, what you're going to want to do is manually check them like I am doing right now. Okay, so I reloaded the page. It registered that I have everything checked. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to go into the Amazon search bar and type in baby registry welcome box. You'll see it right here, baby registry welcome box, price of $35. Now what you're going to want to do is once you have completed your checklist and you get here, make sure that you have a Prime account. If you don't have a Prime account, go ahead and open up the description of this video and click my link to get your Amazon Prime account today. It's a great deal. You get free delivery on all Amazon Prime items, and you'll get access to cool stuff like the free baby registry welcome box. Now, let me take you over into my other Amazon account where I do have Prime, and I'm going to show you what happens once you add the baby registry welcome box to your cart. So right here, I've added it to my cart. It's $35. To get this for free, all you have to do is click proceed to checkout. Now I've already received my baby registry welcome box, but if you haven't already received your baby welcome box, all you have to do is proceed to the checkout, and right here on the screen, it will give you an option to select a $35 credit to pay for this $35 box, and you'll get it for free, and it will be to your house within a couple of days. The price will show $0 and not $37.45 once you've applied this. And yeah, all you do is place the order. Now, if you're having any trouble with this or any other trouble with your baby registry in general, all you do is contact Amazon through their contact app. There's a special tab right here. For gifts and registries, you click the registry discounts and welcome box, and you go ahead and ask for their help straight from here via phone call or chat. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me for yet another video. I hope you found these tips and tricks super helpful, and I hope you enjoyed unboxing the Amazon baby registry welcome box gift bag swag bag with me. Definitely smash the thumbs up button and comment down below. It really helps to support the video. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you back on my next video. Bye, guys.